Namaste everyone. Welcome to IKM. In this video, we will see the meaning of Sankshepa Ramayanam from sloka number 41. Pravishyatu maharanyam Ramo Rajivalochanaha Viradham Rakshasam Hatva Sharabhangam Dadarshaha. The lotus-eyed Rama, after reaching Dandakaranya forest, entering the forest, he killed the asura called Viradha, and then he visited the sage Sharabanga. Sutikšnam chapyagastyam cha agasthyabhrataram tatha agasthyavachanachaiva Jagrahaindram Sharasanam. After visited Sharabanga, he visited the rishi called Sutikshna and also sage Agastya and his brother also. As per the wishes of Agastya, he happily received the bow and sword and two inexhaustible queues belong to Lord Indra. Kadgam cha paramapritaha tuni chakshaya sayakau vasatastasya ramasya vane vanacharai saha. All the great sages, along with people of the forest, approached Rama, who was living in the forest, with request for killing of asuras and rakshasas. ऋषयोऽभ्यागमन् सर्वे वधायासुररक्षसां सतेषां प्रतिशुश्राव राक्षसानां तदा वने. After hearing Rama, each and every one belonged to the forest and also sages' request, Rama promised them that he would do according to their wish. Pratignatascha Ramena vadasayati rakshasam rishinam agnikalpanam dandakaranyavasinam. Rama took an oath to kill Rakshasa in war. To the great sages living in Dandakaranya forest, to save them, he took the oath to fight against asuras, and these rishis are equal to fire god who is staying along in the forest. Tena tatraiva vasata janasthana nivasini Virupita Shurpanakha Rakshasi Kamarupini. Surpanaka, who can assume any form she likes and who was living in a place called Janasthana in the forest and was disfigured by Rama, who was also living in the same forest. ततशूर्पणखा वाक्याद् उद्युक्तान् सर्वराक्षसान् खरं त्रिशिरसं चैव दूषणं चैव राक्षसम्. Hearing the Surpanaka's words, all the rakshasas who lived in the forest, they are called the name Khara, Trishiras and Dushanas, along with their followers, all attacked Rama and they were killed by Sri Rama. Nijaghanarane Ramaha Tesham Chaiva Padanugan Vane Tasmin Nivasata Janasthana Nivasinam. Then Rama moved to the place called Janasthana, where Surpanaka also living there. He went there to kill the remaining asuras. Rakshasam nihatan yasan सहस्राणि चतुर्दशः ततो ज्ञातिवधं श्रुत्वा रावणः क्रोधमूर्छितः. Rama killed 14,000 Rakshasas who were living in the Janasthana. Hearing about the killing of his relatives, Ravana, losing his senses due to his extreme anger, सहायं वरयामास मारीचं राम राक्षसं वार्यमानः सुबहुशो मारीचेन स रावणः. Ravana requested Rakshasa called Maricha to help him, but Maricha told Ravana that enmiting with the Rama is not at all good because Rama is extremely strong. He suggested not to fight with Rama.